You didn't find Play Store in your phone, right? And that's why you couldn't download any application from Play Store. So that's really problematic. So don't worry, in just 1 minute I will show you how to find out Play Store in your phone or how to download Play Store in your phone easily. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, let me show you something. In my phone there is no Play Store available. Okay, so let me show you. There is the letter P and you can see there is no Play Store in my phone. Okay, and if I search from there, let me show you. If I search suppose Chrome, you can see I can see Chrome browser. Okay, but if I search Play Store, you can see I didn't find any Play Store in my phone, only Play It, Max Player, whatever. Okay, so how can you actually find out it, or how can you actually download it? Okay, so let's start the process. So for doing that, first of all, you'll need to go to your phone settings option. So let me go mine, and after that scroll down. Then you need to find out this option which is apps. So let me click this one. And in other phone, maybe Xiaomi or Mi phone, you will also see apps, and after that you will need to click manage application. Okay, but in Samsung phone it will directly open the app section. So just scroll down and find out that Play Store, I mean P capital letter. Okay, you can see there is Google partner setup and there is Google Play service, and in the bottom you can see Google Play Store. Okay, so you need to click there, and after that you can see it's actually disable. You can see there is disable. Okay, so you need to enable it. So you need to click here enable, and after that just get back from here, and if I try to search right now, you can see there is the Play Store application already available. So you can download any application from there. Just turn on the network, and after that if you try to download anything, that time you can download it from Play Store. So that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can download or you can find out Play Store in your phone easily. So thank you so much for watching this video.